Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Hey students, today we will learn about the concept of addition on page number 36. So students, open the page number 36. Say it with me. Addition means to add or put together. Let's start with the story. It's a story time. Ahmed has 4 apples and his friend Basit has 3 apples more. Adding Basit apples, now Ahmed has 7 apples. Ahmed has in total, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal 7. Say it again, children. 4 plus 3 is equal 7. Second activity on page number 36, we have 5 balloons and add 1. How many balloons are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 balloons. Next one is how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes. Write the 8 in blank box. Now let's do finger counting activity. Let's count and add using our fingers. 5 plus 3, show 5 fingers and 3 more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is equal 8. 5 plus 2, show 5 fingers and 2 fingers more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 5 plus 2 is equal 7. Wow, you all did so well, students. Remember, when we do addition, we put things together to find how many in all.